Hello. Today in this video, I will show you how to add share button in your WordPress post. First, log in your dashboard section. After login, go to plugin and add new. After add new plugin, here we active one share button plugin. The plugin name is AddToAny. First one, AddToAny Share Buttons. Install now and active. Go to settings and AddToAny. Standard first icon style 32 pixel, background original, transparent and custom, and share button, add and remove service. Click. Any service you went to below. Okay. These 5. Okay. After and placement, display at the where you went to display the share button on the post. Bottom, top and bottom. Here select the bottom, the default, and save change. Refresh the page, but do not add the AddToAny or share button here. Go to post, all posts, and right hand side section post. Under post, here one option, AddToAny. Check and update. Refresh the web page and see the share button is add. This way you can add free share button in your WordPress post. Thank you.